everybody, and welcome to day 15 of Vlogust. We're on our way to Whole Foods, but we took a side trip like we always do to stop off in Haddonfield, New Jersey. It's an historic town. I love to come and have lunch here. And there's a little crepe place that we like to go to that sells nothing but crepes, and they have some kind of fancy avocado toast selections too. And just everything here is from the 1700s. It's colonial, and I just love it. Like, I'm gonna show you for a second here. I'll turn around. This is an old tavern. Where they decided to no longer be colonists. They call themselves states. Turning point in history. So come along with me for the day as we get something to eat and we do a little touring. Lots of beautiful old houses in Haddonfield. A lot of them from the 1800s and some of them from the 1700s. So I just love it. Someday when I buy a house, it's going to be here. It's a little hard. Cheers. I'm back from Whole Foods now. It's about a half-hour drive away, and the car was just so hot. I know I'm always complaining about the heat, but it's like 91 out today or something like that. So it usually kind of zaps me of energy by the time I get home. So I think I'm gonna lie down and do a little meditation. I don't know if I'm gonna do one of my own or if I'm gonna do one of my favorite artists. So we'll see. I don't know if you know this, but I write and I record my own meditations. And I'll put a link up above if you wanna check out my meditation playlist. My most popular one is the Mermaid Meditation. But I do have maybe about 10 on there now. There's quite a few in various time lengths too. So there's from 5 minutes to up to an hour. Tonight, hold on to your hat, we're gonna make beef for dinner. I haven't had any beef this whole month, and I'm not a big red meat eater, and the Mediterranean diet only calls for beef rarely. But at Whole Foods they had sirloin steak on sale, and I actually was thinking of getting a London broil, but the sirloin steak was actually on sale and cheaper than the London broil. So I saw in one of my Mediterranean diet magazines that I have this month, I saw a recipe. It was for flank steak, and it had Salsa Verde on it, the Italian style Salsa Verde, because there's also Spanish style. I think there might even be a different variation that the French use. But the Italian one is made with parsley and some anchovies and lemon juice and capers and things, and it just sounded interesting. So I think I'm gonna make that on the side for the steak, and we'll probably make some potatoes and some kind of green on the side, and we bought some mushrooms, so I think it'll be a nice dinner. So first I'm gonna take a little afternoon rest, and then we'll get to cooking. For some side dishes, we're sauteing some onions. We wilted down some spinach. We're making some mushrooms with a little bit of red wine. And I'm about to mash these potatoes because I love mashed potatoes, especially with steak. I'm making a little Italian salsa verde to go with the steak. So in here, I didn't really measure anything exactly, but I took a big handful of Italian flat leaf parsley. I have a little squirt of anchovy paste. I have 2 garlic cloves, rough chopped. I have a little bit of lemon zest, about a teaspoon of lemon juice, about a teaspoon of wine vinegar, and a big glug of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna put it in the blitzer, and I'll see if it needs any more olive oil. Oh, and I also added some salt and pepper. So here's what the salsa verde looks like now that it's complete. me today. I hope you enjoyed our beef dinner on our little tour of Haddonfield, and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell if you want to know exactly what time the videos go live. Bye.